How do I put bumper numbers on my robot? Bumper numbers are an identification tool to allow teams to know whose robot is whose. Be sure to look at this year's rules to determine the specifications for your bumper numbers. There are many different types of bumper fabrics. One kind that we offer is this kind right here that's made out of Cordura. This material is really easy to work with and is also incredibly tough. There are many ways to apply bumper numbers to your fabric. One particular way could be embroidery, where you sew it in. Another way you could do it is with an iron-on. In both of these cases, you'll likely be putting on the number before the fabric is on the noodles. So two other ways you could apply numbers to your bumpers are painting them on, usually with a stencil to make sure they're clear and readable, or with stick-ons. Stick-on numbers are available at AndyMark, and both methods can be done after the fabric is on the noodle. You may find it's worthwhile to split your bumper numbers on either side of a gap in your bumper. When applying your bumper numbers, make sure not to wrap around the corner of a bumper. The bumper numbers here at AndyMark were specially designed to have a good adhesive on the back, which allows it to stick to different types of fabrics really well. To do this, all you have to do is peel the number off the backing, and if you align on the bumper, after applying, there should be approximately a half of an inch between the top of the number and the top of the bumper on either side. When applying your bumper numbers, it's usually best practice to try to keep them a reasonable distance apart. In this case, it's about a pinky. This allows it to be easily readable and not too cluttered, even from far away. If your team's worried about stick, there's a few things you can do to make sure that these don't come off. So the first thing we're going to do is lay out your fabric, and then you'll apply some heat to the area for 30 seconds. After the area is warm, you're going to go and take your peel off, and you'll want to make sure you line up your sticker right where you want it. Get all of your air bubbles out, and then you're going to apply about 30 more seconds of heat to that area. Teams should note when applying via this method to make sure you're not doing it over your poo noodles, because the heat will cause your noodles to change shape. After applying heat to the area for about 30 seconds, you'll want to apply pressure. So in this case, we're going to put something large out on top and a weight on top of that. This will apply even pressure over the area. It's best to leave it this way for about 5 minutes. And that's how you apply numbers to your bumpers.